Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Cook an RV and Camper with Prince Charming. Today we'll be making deviled eggs. So I will still have a full list of ingredients posted at the end of the video, so please watch the entire video. Okay, first of all, you boil the water. Water is boiling, now you're gonna put the eggs in. So after you put the eggs in the boiling water, you're gonna time 14 minutes and then all the eggs are gonna be well cooked. Okay, now it's peeling time. Okay, why would the farmer not let the hen in his house? Because she kept laying deviled eggs. And yes, we are making deviled eggs today. Okay, then what did Snow White name her chicken? Egg White. After all those jokes, and I'm still peeling the egg. Okay, done. The egg is clean and clear. Now just peel the other 3 eggs, and then I'm gonna cut the eggs into half. Now you're gonna use a small spoon to scoop all the egg yolk and put it in another bowl. Remember to be gentle because you don't want to break the egg white. By the way, if you like cooking with Prince Charming videos, then click a like on this video and please subscribe to Shrek Travel. And you'll see more videos about campers, about RVs, and more cooking videos with me, Prince Charming. Okay, now you have the whole bowl of egg yolk. So now you have to split them into 3 parts. For me, I split them into 3 parts so that I can make different flavors, different ingredients with 3 different bowls. So for this first bowl, I put in mayo, the original ingredient for this dish. I just put in mayo and black pepper. That's all, just mixing them up. Now you're gonna mix until it's kind of like saucy. Okay, now it's still hard, so I'm gonna put in more mayo so that it gets more saucy. Okay, so after about like 30 seconds of mixing, now the texture, like this texture is what we want in our deviled eggs. Now for the second part, I'm gonna put in mustard and mayo and black pepper. And again, keep mixing. And you can also try any type of ingredients you want to put in these egg yolks. Some people use apple cider, maybe some people use hot sauce, some people even use honey. I don't know, just get creative with it. Okay, so that's the second bowl, black mustard, mayo, and black pepper. Now, the third bowl, I'm gonna put in ketchup, hot sauce, and mayo. So just the more you put mayo in the egg yolks, the more it gets saucy. But for me, I don't put a lot of mayo because it's too sweet. So that's enough for me. I like this texture. Okay, now this is where artistic people do really, really well. So I'm just using a kind of bag, and then like I clean it, and then I put these sauce in, and then just cut a hole, and then now you can make the deviled eggs. And then, the better equipment you get, then the more aesthetic it looks like. So now I'm just putting three different types of egg yolks into the egg whites. After filling everything in, are you ready for the results? I think it looks pretty good. So if you ever try making this, please let me know in the comment how it turns out for you. I'm just adding a little bit more ingredients to the flavor of these eggs with cilantro and some paprika. It does not only make it more beautiful, but it also makes it taste better. Cheers! So here's the list of all the ingredients I used. Thank you everyone for watching, and happy camping everyone. This is Prince Charming, Shrek Travel.